Okay, we're now setting our temperature to 75 degrees as per our recipe for 60 minutes, and then we start. Now it will start to warm up the water that we've just filled into our machine. Okay, we're filling up our urn with 20 liters of water. We're going to heat it to 80 degrees. That'll be our sparging water. Okay. So what we are going to be doing now is we're going to put our grain into our grain basket while we have our water heating up. Okay, here we have our crushed grain. Okay, perfect. Now we're just waiting for the water. Okay, we have now hit 72 degrees. What we will do is we'll take the lid off, put our crushed grain in the basket, into our machine. Perfect. Now we will have the machine recirculating. The mash for the next 60 minutes. Okay, we're now setting our temperature to 66 degrees as per our recipe. As soon as we hit 66 degrees, the timer will start running. Our grain in our grain basket into the water. What I'm doing now is I'm just mixing it up just to make sure we don't have any dough balls. As soon as we are happy with that, we'll put the second deflector plate on and have our recirculating pipe with the pump working. Alright, we've put our deflector plate on. We just need our recirculating pipe. So just put that on there. Open the tap to the pump, and then we start the pump there. And then what we can do is we can regulate our pressure through this tap here. So just slightly close it for less pressure. Okay, at 10 minutes left, we are going to pause the mash. What we'll do now is we will set our temperature to 76 degrees for our mash out. Okay, what we will do now is we'll remove the lid, turn off the pump and the switch here, and then we can start by removing the pipe. Lift the mesh and put it on the first level. Okay. Now we will be adding our additional 19.5 liters of water as we do our mash out. Okay, we're using our sparging water to mash out now. What we'll do is just pour there to get a nice soft pour. Okay, while we are sparging, what we're going to do is we're going to set the machine to start going up in temperature all the way to the boil. So we set the machine to 100 degrees, which is boiling, and then start. Now it will start going up, and we'll do that while we're busy sparging and mashing out. Okay, we've hit boiling temperature, so we have now put our hop basket into the machine. Our first hop addition for 60 minutes is going in. There we go, and then that will boil for 60 minutes. Okay, with 20 minutes left, what we're going to be doing is we'll take out the hop basket, so this will take off for now. Remove the hop basket. Just be careful, it is hot. Chili in. Okay, so we can sterilize the chiller, and then in 20 minutes we'll be cooling it down. Okay, we have now cooled down our wort using our immersion chiller. What we will do now is we're going to be transferring our wort to a sanitized fermenter. Okay, we are now pitching the yeast, dehydrated yeast. Okay, once we're done transferring, the wort will then close it, and it will stand for around 14 days.